Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Snapchat due to repeated failed login attempts or other suspicious activity. If you're using Snapchat and whenever you try to log in with your Snapchat account, you see this type error that due to repeated failed attempts or other suspicious activity, your access to Snapchat is temporarily disabled. So let's see how can you fix this issue. So basically, sometimes it might be a glitch of your app, so you can easily fix that by fixing your app. Not do that, you just have to make sure that you have a stable and a strongest network connection, or you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you're connected to any VPN, just try to disconnect with that. Then you have to open your app store or play store and then you go for search for Snapchat. So if there will be any bug or any malware into your Snapchat app, it will be fixed by updating your Snapchat app. Or you can also try to offload or delete your apps. After offloading or deleting, you have to reinstall the app. So after reinstallation, you just have to recheck if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issues, you have to simply open your app store or you have to open your browser here, go for search, and you have to simply search for Snapchat Sport. Just search for Snapchat Sport. Open the first website from here, and now on this screen you just have to scroll down and look for the option of contact us. Just select that, and here just select I can't access my account, and then just scroll down and look for the option of I see an error message when I log in. And here the option is your account is logged. You have to select no. And here just scroll down and you will see the option of due to repeated failed attempts. So just select this option here, and here Snapchat will guide you how can you fix your issue. Or you can also try to select this home option to go to home page, but it will tell you how can you fix the issue. So you just have to try again up to 24 hours later and your issue will be fixed and you'll not get the same issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.